You probably have a jar of loose pennies sitting on your dresser or hidden in your junk drawer right now. But have you ever stopped to look at the dates? Most people treat these like literal trash, spending them without a second thought. But what if I told you that some of these mundane-looking coins are actually high-stakes collector items hiding in plain sight? Today, we're going to look at 3 Lincoln Memorial pennies that have caught the attention of serious numismatists. And you'll want to stick around until the very end because the final coin is one that almost everyone assumes is completely worthless. Imagine sorting through a handful of old change and stumbling across a 1968D Lincoln Memorial penny that just feels different. Most people wouldn't give a second glance to a coin from this era, but for the seasoned hunter, 1968 is a year steeped in complexity. It was a turbulent time in American history, characterized by social change and a rapidly shifting economy. Because of these pressures, the United States Mint was working overtime to keep up with the demand for circulating coinage. And in that rush, mistakes occasionally slipped past quality control. This is where things get interesting for the average person. Look closely at the obverse, that iconic portrait of Abraham Lincoln, and the reverse, featuring the Lincoln Memorial. You have the standard inscriptions, "In God We Trust," "The Year," and "Liberty." But collectors aren't looking at the design itself. They're looking for anomalies in the strike. This coin is composed of 95% copper and 5% zinc, weighing in at 3.11 grams with a diameter of 19.05 millimeters. It's a standard size, but the D Mint mark, representing the Denver Mint, is the key. When you find a 1968 with D that exhibits specific, rare doubling or misaligned die strikes, the value changes significantly. In a very fine condition, collectors have seen these specimens command prices as high as $110,000. It sounds unbelievable, but it really comes down to the scarcity of those specific errors. Please, never clean these coins. I cannot stress this enough. Cleaning them ruins the original surfaces, which is exactly what a professional grader looks for to verify its authenticity. If you think you found something special, keep it raw and consider professional grading before doing anything else. But the next coin stunned even experienced collectors because a tiny detail turned an ordinary-looking coin into one of the most sought-after finds in the series. Next up, we're moving back in time just a couple of years to 1966. If you find a 1966 Lincoln Memorial penny, you're holding a piece of history from a year when the country was undergoing massive cultural shifts. The Mint was operating at breakneck speed, and when you're producing millions of coins, human error is almost inevitable. This coin, lacking a mint mark, was struck at the Philadelphia Mint. Like its counterparts, it consists of that classic 95% copper composition, carrying the familiar weight of 3.11 grams and that standard 19.05 millimeter diameter. Most people see the 1966 date and think it's just another common cent, but that's the trap. Collectors have spent decades hunting for specific varieties where the strike is just a fraction off, or the lettering shows signs of being doubled. It's easy to overlook these subtle imperfections, especially if the coin has been in circulation for a while. You might have one in your pocket right now and not even realize it. Some of these specimens have sold for around $120,000 in fine condition, which is a testament to how much demand there is for a perfect or perfectly imperfect example. The surface condition is everything here. If you find one, handle it by the edges. Never use abrasive cloths or chemicals to make it look shiny again, because that will essentially erase its premium value. It is truly a game of patience and sharp eyes. You really have to wonder how many of these have been mindlessly dropped into tip jars or lost in the cracks of a sofa. But hold on, because the final coin on our list today is one that most people see every single day and assume is just modern pocket change. Next up, you likely see these every time you go to the store. And it's almost instinct to just toss them into a jar or leave them on the counter. It's a 2006 Lincoln Memorial Penny. At first glance, it's just another modern coin, a product of the early 2000s, an era when we were all so focused on digital transitions that we forgot the value literally in our palms. The obverse features the familiar profile of Lincoln, while the reverse showcases the memorial, complete with the 1 cent and United States of America legends. It's made of copper-plated zinc, weighing 2.5 grams, with a diameter of 19.05 millimeters. Because it lacks a mint mark, it was minted in Philadelphia. But here is the secret that most people overlook. In the world of high-end collecting, condition is king, and specific, rare era varieties from 2006 have created a massive stir in the community. Collectors are constantly scouring rolls and bank bags looking for specific doubling on the date or the motto, or even heavy die clashes that make this modern coin look like a completely different piece of history. In very fine condition, certain versions of this coin have hit the market with values reaching $40,000. It is a stark reminder that you don't always need a coin from the 1800s to find something of significant value. The key is knowing what to look for and refusing to let that "it's just a penny" mentality stop you from checking your change. Please, if you find something that looks odd, do not clean it and do not spend it. Getting it professionally graded is the smartest move you can make to protect your potential find. The reality is that valuable, elusive coins are still circulating out there every single day, waiting for someone with a sharp eye and a bit of patience to pick them up. It's been a pleasure sharing these secrets with you. If you enjoyed this deep dive, make sure to hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, and share it with a friend who might have a jar of change they haven't looked at in years. We're going to keep bringing you the most interesting stories from the world of numismatics. So stay curious and keep searching. Comment "Rare Coins Hunter" if you're still watching. I want to know who the real treasure hunters are. Thanks for joining me on Rare Coin Secrets USA.